welcome back in the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Today we're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely baked chicken at home. Lemon and ginger and honey baked chicken straight inside of the oven, and serve that with some nice, lovely plain rice. Goes really well. Basically, guys, I know you will like the recipe. First of all, we're going to marinate it first. After we marinate it, what we're going to do next, we're going to put it on for a couple of hours for it to get soaked. Then after it gets soaked, we put it straight inside of the oven for half an hour. If not, 35 minutes is good for it. Gas mark 7 or 8 is that really good high temperature, medium sized temperature, which that can cook it for roughly about 35 minutes. Good inside of the oven. Put it in the middle of the oven and you will get a perfect cook. Guys, I got a kilo of chicken and it's in pieces. We're gonna show you can make yourself lemon and ginger and honey baked chicken served with rice. Enjoy the recipe, and this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Get a copy of my cooking book. Nice, I love this. So basically I'm gonna give you all of my ingredients, which I do have here at the moment, guys. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Right here I have one lemon, which I'm already cut up into wedges. Right here I have a piece of a ginger. I cut them up in very small. Spring onion, garlic, white onion, and fresh thyme. And right over here we have some chicken season, all-purpose season, like a bit of grounded pimento. And right over here we have everyday season and some chicken mixed spice. Right here again we have some herb, and this one is smoked paprika, honey, and also we have white vinegar. This is the chicken, olive oil, sorry guys. This is the chicken I'm already washed off into some white vinegar. If not, you can use lemon inside of your chicken. So basically, guys, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, if you're at home and you want to do your chicken, let's put this at the side like this, so you guys can see exactly where Chef Ricardo is about. Alright? So basically, you're at home and you want to make yourself a nice, lovely honey or ginger or lemon baked chicken inside of the oven for the family to have a nice, lovely family dinner. Basically, get all of your seasoning you normally use on a daily basis. It's just the idea where you can make things together, like the honey and the ginger and the season, and everything can come together. So basically, as you can see, I got all of my season right here, and I'm using a teaspoon because all of these seasons already have salt. You don't need to put salt inside of a chicken. So basically, if I start to sprinkle everything all over it just like this, and as I said before, I did wash off my chicken. Then next thing, we got some white onion, thyme, garlic, and spring onion. Put everything in it just like this. Then I have a little bit of fine piece of a ginger, which I'm chopped up already. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it. Don't put the lemon inside of it yet. Then some olive oil. Then some honey. So what the honey gonna do, you're gonna kill the lemon and the ginger. So basically what you're gonna do now, simple. Just rub it up like this. Nice one. What I would normally do at the moment, to be honest with you, I will definitely put some more paprika on it, because the paprika do give it a color. Roughly another teaspoon of paprika. Nice and lovely. So basically what you can do, wrap this, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. After 2 hours, then you can put it straight inside of the oven. So I'm gonna put this in my fridge for 2 hours now, and I'm gonna come back towards it. Nice and lovely. I just take it back from my fridge, guys. Roughly 2 hours now I have it in my fridge. So as you can see, you have to make the meat get rest. Remove the clean film from it. As you can see, I changed my gloves, get another gloves, and then give it another rub. Alright, lovely. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just basically put the side of this tray like this. This is nice. Lovely and nice. But as you can see, what I'm doing right here, guys, I know you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing. What you can also do is to make the meat put down for 2 hours, for 24 hours and so more, even better. And what you do, get your lemon. Nice one. So you're gonna put that straight in the oven, just like this, guys, and I'm telling you, you will see exactly what I'm talking about when you do your chicken like this and you cook it at home. Give it a try. If you like the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. So we're gonna put it in the oven for about 35 minutes. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, guys. As you can see, the way of the chicken looking so lovely and nice. 35 minutes inside of the oven and gas mark 7. Looking lovely. I'm gonna share it out. You need to see what's going on. This is just beautiful and nice. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So now we're gonna share out this beautiful chicken and rice. Basically, you need to cup your rice like this. That's beautiful. Look at that steam coming off of it, guys. Next thing, get your chicken. Giving a nice little secret idea. I'm just using, the reason why I'm just using my, I never used this before, you know what I mean, do something like this before, but I'm using my pasta bowl for serving this lovely chicken meal. But as you can see exactly what I'm coming from and exactly what I'm talking about. Get some dry lemon. Some of this lemon which fried off inside of it. That's fine, you don't want to over chuck it too much. You can get a few pieces of, you know what I mean, balance the food. Beautiful, guys. But as you can see exactly what I'm talking about right here. And also you just decorate it, you know what I mean? It's fine. Just decorate it up. This is just some juice off the chicken. You can basically just simple strain this on top of it, because this is even really lovely and nice. But guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about right here in a proper meal. Looking lovely and fantastic. Hopefully you enjoy the recipe. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you guys. Looking so lovely and nice. I must admit to say this is a really nice, lovely meal. So guys, enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Thank you so much. You can have this for a family meal. whatever you like. Enjoy it. This is lemon, ginger, and honey chicken. Beautiful.